Muito obrigado, senhor Monteiro. Agora vou dar a palavra ao primeiro-ministro do Ministro da Defesa da República Socialista Democrática de Sri Lanka, Sampath Thuyacontha.
Thank you, Honorable Chair.
Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to all of you. It is a great honor and privilege to address the 14th International Meeting of High-Ranking Officials responsible for security matters, representing Sri Lanka on the timely subject of the challenges and threats to international security in the context of the emergence of a multipolar world. Today, the global order is undergoing a significant transformation. The emergence of multiple centers of power is reshaping political, economic, technological and security dynamics across the world. While a multipolar world can create opportunities for greater balance and inclusivity, it is also present serious challenges to international peace and stability. Strategic competition among major powers, growing geopolitical tensions, and the weakening of multilateral consensus are creating uncertainty in the international security environment. At the same time, traditional security threats are increasingly compounded by non-traditional challenges, including cyber attacks, terrorism, violent extremism, transnational organization crime, disinformation, and the misuse of emerging technologies. In addition, economic instability, food and energy insecurity, and climate-related disasters continue to intensify vulnerabilities, particularly among developing nations and small states. These interconnected challenges demonstrate that security today cannot be viewed solely through a military lens. For Sri Lanka, these developments carry particular importance due to its position at the center of the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean has become an area of increasing geopolitical and economic significance in the emerging multipolar order. As competition among major powers expand into the region, maintaining stability, freedom of navigation and respect for international law becomes essential for regional and global security. Sri Lanka firmly believes that the Indian Ocean should remain a zone of peace, cooperation and shared prosperity. We therefore advocate constructive engagement, mutual respect and dialogue among nations to prevent rivalry from escalating into confrontation. Sri Lanka also recognizes that no country can address modern security threats alone. Challenges such as cybercrime, maritime insecurity, terrorism and climate-related risks require strong international cooperation, intelligence sharing and collective action. As a nation, guided by the principles of non-alignment and peaceful coexistence, Sri Lanka continues to maintain balanced and friendly relations with all countries. We believe that smaller states have an important role in promoting dialogue, building trust and supporting stability in an increasingly complex global environment. The emergence of multipolar worlds must not divide the international community. Instead, it should encourage a more inclusive and cooperative global order based on mutual respect, sovereignty and shared responsibility. Sri Lanka remains committed to working closely with all partners to strengthen international security, promote regional stability and contribute towards a peaceful and secure future for all. Thank you very much. Have a great day.